Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common networking problem that Raspberry Pi users might encounter. So, the problem is that you have two Raspberry Pi 4s, each connected to the router via Wi-Fi, and you're looking to connect them directly to each other via Ethernet for faster file transfers. You've already tried connecting them to a Mac directly, and that worked fine, but when trying to connect the Pis to each other, you're facing some difficulties because their Ethernet adapters don't seem to have an IP address assigned to them. In the first part of the solution, we need to focus on enabling connection sharing between the two Raspberry Pis. By following the steps outlined in a helpful solution I found, you'll be able to successfully interconnect them via Ethernet. This process is key to establishing a direct network link between the Pis without the need for a router in between. The next step in the solution involves configuring the network settings on both Raspberry Pis to ensure that the Ethernet connection is properly established. By enabling connection sharing and bridging Wi-Fi to Ethernet, you'll create a direct link that allows for fast and efficient file transfers between the two Pis. Once this setup is complete, you should be able to communicate seamlessly between the devices using the Ethernet connection. To wrap it up, we successfully addressed the initial problem of connecting two Raspberry Pis directly via Ethernet for quick file transfers. By enabling connection sharing and bridging Wi-Fi to Ethernet, you've established a direct network link between the Pis, allowing for efficient communication. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching. Until next time.